$7 billion of investments and over 1,700 registered companies. An independent controller, which is one of the big four audit companies, recorded the results of the activities of the Astana International Financial Centre for 2016 to 2021. Thus, according to analysts, the budget application of the AIFC is decreasing from year to year. For example, this year it is 15.5% less than in 2021. However, the volume of taxes paid by the bodies, organizations and participants of the centre increased. Over 10 months of 2022, it exceeded 17 billion tenge. Moreover, according to experts, by the end of 2022, it will reach 20 billion tenge and will cover the amount of funds allocated to the AIFC from the state budget in the past 2 years. Analysts note that the most important indicator is also the popularity of the AIFC jurisdiction. Its court and the International Arbitration Centre issued over 1,400 decisions. Overall, the financial centre managed to fulfill all the key performance indicators set in the development strategy until 2025.